channel Life at Germany with me Vinu. In today's video, we are going to see about German education system. For most of the parents who are coming to Germany, they are a bit confused about the German education system. So if you want to know about the complete education system in Germany, please see this video until the end. Let's see what are the different types of schools which is available in Germany. For the kids until the age of 3, they can get into this nursery school. So this nursery school is called as Kinderkrippe. So in order to get admission in these kind of nursery school, you need to register priorly in order to get availability in these particular schools. When your kid is in nursery school, then you need to pay for this nursery school depending on the income which you earn. So always in Germany, the fees is calculated based on the income and also based on the timings which you need to sign in the contract. The next school is preschool, which is called as kindergarten or Kita in Germany. So here the kids who are from age 3 to 6, they can go into this kindergarten or Kita. For this kindergarten also you need to register your child for this kindergarten priorly so that you will get a place in that particular kindergarten or Kita. Again, you have different types of kindergarten or Kita, which is either public or you can go for private kindergarten or Kita. So if you are preferring for public kindergarten, then in German it's absolutely free. So for public kindergarten, it is free. When you choose for private kindergarten or some kind of bilingual kindergarten, then of course you need to pay some money. As I mentioned, in these two varieties of school, for example nursery school and then kindergarten, these two are completely optional. It is depending on the parents. Parents can decide whether their kid can go to nursery school or whether their kid needs to go to kindergarten to learn. The next topic is primary school. Primary school is called as Grundschule in Germany. This Grundschule is mandatory. So the parents need to send their kids to Grundschule from age 6. So when the kid is reaching the age 6, then it is mandatory in Germany that they need to attend the schools. Grundschule in Germany is starting from grade 1 to grade 4. So the children will be at the school of grade 1 to grade 4 in Grundschule. So in Grundschule also we have different types, like either the parents can prefer for public Grundschule or they can prefer private primary school. So if it is public primary school, then it is completely free. So there is no need to pay any fees other than if suppose you wanted to buy some books, then of course you need to pay for the books. Other than this, no other fees are involved in public German schools. But if you are preferring for private schools like international schools or other bilingual schools, then you need to pay fees to that particular school. Since in Grundschule is usually mathematics, science, arts, German literacy, and then religious or ethics related topics. These things are covered in Grundschule. Coming to the next topic, secondary school. Secondary school have different varieties in Germany, I mean different types in Germany. So let's see what are the different types of secondary schools available in Germany. The first one, Gymnasium. Second one, Realschule. Third one, Hauptschule. Then Gesamtschule, and then Berufsschule. Let's see about these schools one by one. All the secondary schools in Germany starts from grade 5 and it lasts until grade 10, or it depends on the different types of school. So the first one, Gymnasium school. Gymnasium, in this type of school, students will continue in the school until the age of 18. So at the age of 18, they need to take Abitur final exam in order to get into German universities. So when the students are learning in Gymnasium Schule, they can get into German university. The next one, Realschule. Realschule, the students up to age 15 or 16, they will continue in Realschule. So from Realschule, they need to take a trade apprenticeship in order to transfer to Gymnasium. So it is possible that the students who is studying in Realschule, they can continue after age 15 or 16 to Gymnasium Schule when they take up this apprenticeship. The next one, Hauptschule. Hauptschule, also the students will continue their education until age 15 or 16. So after this, they can continue with some vocational qualification. Next one, Gesamtschule. So this Gesamtschule is nothing but the mix of all these kinds of schools. So the students can also learn in Gesamtschule. The students who are there in Gesamtschule, they can continue their education until the age of 15 or 16. So in general, Gymnasium school students will prepare for Abitur exam. Once they pass this Abitur final exam, then they can get into German university. Students in Hauptschule, they will be continuing in Hauptschule until grade 9. If they do extra 1 year, then they can get into Realschule. Students from Realschule, they will continue until grade 10, and if they take 1 year extra apprenticeship, then they can get into Gymnasium. Berufsschule is mainly for vocational training. The students from Hauptschule or the students from Realschule, if they wanted to continue with the Gymnasium, then they can get into this Berufsschule and then transfer into Gymnasium. is newly coming to Germany, they will be confused about whether we can start our children into the public German school, or we need to go for a private school. Always they will have this much of confusion. So my best suggestion or opinion is, if you are planning to stay in Germany for long term, then please go for public German schools. It is free. You can learn German language easily when the kids are starting from the school. So for long term plan people, please go with the public German school. And of course, if you are planning to stay here in Germany for some time and then return back to your home country, in that case, yes, of course, you can opt for international schools or any bilingual schools. Yeah, it's up to you to decide, but my suggestion is, for long term, if there is a plan, then please go for public German schools. I hope in this video you know about the German education system from nursery to secondary schools. Let's see in another video about continuing the further education after secondary schools. Okay, let's see in the next video. Until then, bye from Mino.